Hi, Markslen. Ooh, scissors.
No, baby.
Careful with the scissors. Yeah, give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. How are you, Aleida? Pretty naman. She's holding an electric drill. Ah, Aleida. Give it to mommy, the scissors. What's that? Ooh, a toy truck. Yeah. Oh, nice. A Disney Princess Magical Kitchen Playset with real cooking sounds. Nice, oh. Lots of storage room for all your kitchen supplies. And mommy, it stands 3 feet tall.
Wow.
Nice, Markslen. We're gonna unbox it, Markslen. Hello, ready? We're gonna unbox it. Yeah. Ooh, that's a cement mixer truck. Yeah. Okay, Markslen, let's go. Unbox it. What's that? Ooh, yeah, your toy truck. Oh, go on, cut it. Cut that tape, Markslen. Ooh, very good, Markslen. Oh, he knows what to do. Oh. Go on, cut it, boy. There you go. It's cut. Good job, Markslen. Nice naman yung baby girl, oh. Playing a cement mixer truck. What's going on, Markslen? Is it unboxed? Cute Aleida naman yan, oh. Go, Markslen, hurry up. We are waiting. Maya, Aleida is excited.
You're so baby girl.
Hurry up, Markslen. There you go, boy. Yep, open the box. Unboxing time with Markslen and Aleida. Oh, nice naman yun. Okay, here we go. Unbox. Ooh, the cooking accessories. Nice, Aleida. Ooh, nice. So, it looks like a tower. Okay, burners. Yeah. Ooh, sunny side up egg. Nice. Well, we need to assemble, mommy, obviously. We need to assemble the set. Hey, assembling time. Oh, look, Disney princesses. Who are they, mommy? Do you know them? Their names?
Yeah.
Where is Snow White?
Here.
Cinderella. Ariel.
Ariel.
Oh, that's Ariel.
Yeah, this is Rock.
Belle.
There.
Who is the blonde girl?
Ooh,
The
yeah.
blonde princess. You forgot? Okay, we'll ask Maya when she gets back here. What's that? A juice? That's a juice, Markslen? Yeah, I think it's a juice. Or milk. Is that a milk? Yeah? Okay, a milk. A pancake mix. Salt and pepper containers. Strawberry milk, Markslen. Yeah. Yummy cupcake. Okay, so what are these again? A cupcake mix. That's a sunny side up egg. Okay. Strawberry milk. Salt and pepper containers. Another cupcake mix. Oh no, pancake. It's a pancake mix. Hey, what's going on? Give it to Aleida, Markslen. Markslen, borrow only. You need to share. Aleida wants to play, Markslen. Share with Aleida. Hey, share with Aleida. It's okay, baby. It's okay, okay. Oh, yan na, baby girl. Go on. Yan na. Thank you, Markslen. Thank you. Markslen, oh, eating an egg. Wipe your saliva, Markslen. You have a saliva on your chin. Oh, nice, Markslen. Nice. Sunny side up egg. Sunny side up egg. Delicious, Markslen. Decals. We need to put those decals, mommy. Beautiful princesses. Okay. Yep, one more screw. Okay, the oven. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that side. Okay, good. All right. The top, I see two burners. Okay. Got it? Okay, mommy. Two AA batteries. Okay, go, mommy. There you go. Switch it on. Oh, the knobs, yeah. Nice sound effects. Cooking sound effects, eh? Boiling water, mommy. Frying sound effects. Are you frying a fish, mommy? Okay, mommy. Okay, the grill, mommy.
Okay.
There you go.
There.
There you go. Okay. Snow White, Cinderella, and what's her name again?
Rapunzel.
Okay. Okay. Okay, the back panel. Okay, the two towers. There you go. Okay, now the decals, mommy. Okay. Okay, yay! The kitchen playset is now fully assembled. Thank you, Mommy Rhea.
Yeah.
Nicey. The side, Mommy. There you go. The back. Okay. And the other side, Mommy. And the front again. Nicey! So pretty! Frying pan. Oh, you can hang them?
Yeah.
That's neat. Salt and pepper containers. Cupcake.
Ooh.
Frying the egg. Frying a sunny side up egg. Nice. Salt, mommy.
Yeah.
And pepper.
Pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sunny side up egg.
Hey. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a storage, mommy. Actually, two storages, mommy. Okay.
Oh.
Use the other one. There you go. I see.
Hey.
Strawberry milk. Hey, look who's here! It's Aleida. She's back. You wanna play na? Cooking. Oh, Aleida, look oh! A box full of food. She wants to fry an egg, mommy.
Oh. Alright.
Nice, Aleida. Oh, nice naman yan oh. Fry it, Aleida. Fry it. Frying, oh. There you go. Nice naman, baby girl. Sunny side up egg. Put some salt. Yay! There you go. And what do we have here? Yummy, yummy breads and donuts. Good looking donuts, mommy. Cakes and biscuits. I mean cookies. And here, breads, mommy. Is that a baby girl? She's frying an egg. Mommy, show her the storages.
Okay.
Alayda, look, oh.
Alina.
Yay, there's something inside. Yay. Nice naman, baby. Get it, mommy. Yay. A pancake mix. And this one, a cupcake mix. Vanilla strawberry flavor. And there's the cupcake. Yummy, yummy cupcake. Later. Ooh, eggs and bacon. I mean egg and bacons. Yeah, egg and bacons.
Okay.
Mommy, let's bake some breads. Yay! Baking time, Aleida. Yay! Baking time. There you go. Twist the knobs, mommy.
Okay.
Nice, Aleida.
Yeah.
Let's boil, oh, okay, that's a big carrot. And corn. Ooh, broccoli. You wanna boil them up, mommy?
Yep.
Okay, boil them. Okay. Boiling them up. Boiling. Oh, mommy, pizza. Bake it, mommy, please. Pizza. Aleida loves eating pizza. Right, Aleida? Okay, the breads are ready. Yummy bread. Ooh, it's not yet baked. What else, mommy? What else? You wanna bake that chicken, mommy?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that whole chicken.
Oh, yeah.
Go bake that chicken.
Close it.
Baking time.
Yay.
Oh, it's ready. Okay, the chicken is ready. It's ready. Ready to eat. There you go, Aleida.
It's okay.
Oh, you wanna close it? There you go. Chicken is ready. Yummy. Oh, an egg, mommy. You wanna boil that egg? Okay. There you go. What else, mommy? Let's bake some cakes, mommy.
Okay.
Bake those cakes.
Alina, put it. Oopsie.
Bake them, Aleida. Aleida. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, she wants to bake those cookies. Okay, bake those cookies, Aleida. There you go. Nice one, Aleida. You wanna put the whole plate inside the oven? Ding ding, ready. The cakes and cookies are ready. Cakes and cookies. Yummy. Yummy sweet treats. Nice baby girl. Yay. Spoon and fork. Eating time. What are you going to cook, mommy?
Oh, chicken.
Chicken? Oh yeah.
Where's the hot dog?
Hot dog. Oh, chili. A red chili. Okay, mommy. Chili fried chicken. Fry it, please. Fry that chicken with egg, mommy.
Oh, with egg.
Yeah. With sunny side up egg. There you go. Mix them up. Chili fried chicken with sunny side up egg. Yummy, yummy. Baby girl. Oh, baking time, Aleida. Nice naman yan, baby girl na yan, oh. That's a ketchup. A bottle of ketchup. Yay! Go, cook more food, Aleida. Cook more food. Yeah. I see canned foods, mommy. What are those? Soup? Soup and corn? Sweet corn. Okay. Mommy, the egg is ready. Delicious egg. Boiled egg. Go eat it. Yeah, eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Can I have some? You want some, Aleida? Egg? Aleida, cupcake. A pink cupcake for you. You don't want it? Mommy's gonna eat it. Oh, there you go. Yummy! Yum, 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 yum. Well, it's not real. You know that it's not real, right? Yummy! Yay! Oh, ketchup! You gonna bake those donuts, mommy? Okay. The whole thing, mommy? Everything?
Yeah.
Okay, you love donuts, huh?
Yummy.
Aleida, donuts! Yay! You want some, Aleida?
Wait, baby.
Let's bake them first. Close the door, Aleida.
Close the door.
Close the oven door. She wants to get those donuts.
Okay.
Ting! 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 Ready, mommy! The donuts are baked. Yummy donuts.
Okay, this is mommy.
That's for you, mommy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mommy, can you get the whole thing, everything, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, donuts. Oh, salmon fish with lemon. I love eating salmon fish. What's that? A burger meat?
Yep.
You gonna fry it? Okay. Donuts. You want some donuts? Okay. There you go, Aleida. Donuts for Aleida. Are you frying it, mommy? Ooh, there you go. Oopsie. There you go. Burger steak with veggies. With lettuce and broccoli and mushroom. Yay, burger steak. Yeah, baby girl. More donuts. Cute Aleida naman yan, oh. So cute naman.
Last one.
Good job, Aleida. The burger steak is ready. Oh, mommy, put some pepper and salt, please. And put some strawberry milk, mommy. Yeah. Okay, burger steak is ready with veggies. You want some, Aleida? Aleida, oh. Where are you looking at, Aleida? Outside? Why are you looking outside? You wanna go swimming? You wanna go swimming? Yeah? You wanna go to the poolside? Yay! Aleida's pool! Pool and jacuzzi! Hey, Aleida! Mommy, oh, cooking, oh. She's cooking something for you, Aleida.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yeah.
I think she wants to get a real food, Mommy. We made her hungry. Yeah, you wanna get a real food now. You're hungry. You wanna go to the kitchen? Aleida, baby girl. Mommy, you're having fun, oh. There you go, Aleida. Cookie. Now that's a real cookie.
Yep.
Two
Yum,
cookies.
yum,
Yummy, yummy, Aleida. Aleida got hungry, oh. Now she's happy because she's eating, real cookies. Cute na baby.
Yum, 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 yum.
Eating real cookies. Yummy, yummy.
What's that?
Maya, who are these?
This one is Panzo. This one,
Talk properly, Maya. Louder.
this one is Panzo. This one Snow White. This one Cinderella.
Okay. Rapunzel, Snow White, and Cinderella. And who's the bird? How about on this side, Maya? Who are these princesses?
Ariel.
Where's Ariel?
Ariel. Sleeping Beauty.
Oh, this is Sleeping Beauty? Oh. Okay. Now we know, Mommy.